For this video, we want to get under the hood, so to speak, of the Racepak SmartWire and look at the technical specifications. The unit itself measures 5 inches by 6 inches by 2 inches, or 12 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and weighs about 25 ounces, or 731 grams. Looking first at the top of the unit, you'll see the 1/4-inch power stud. This is for the main positive power input from the battery. Minimum operating voltage for the unit is 11.5 volts, while the maximum operating voltage is 20 volts. Next, we have the mini USB programming port. We utilize this in order to program the SmartWire unit either as a standalone unit or in conjunction with Racepak VNet sensors. Next to the mini USB port, we have 2 LEDs. One is the power LED, and that's red when the unit is powered on. The other one is the status LED, which is green when it's operating correctly, or red when a fuse event has been triggered. The VNet connector will connect the SmartWire to a Racepak data logger or other sensors. The switch connector will connect the unit to a switch panel or a switch module. Switch details can be found in the SmartWire switch options video found in the SmartWire website. At this end of the unit, we find the 2 23-pin connectors. Each connector contains 15 outputs and 6 inputs. That gives us a total of 30 outputs and 12 inputs across the unit. The outputs are the actual output wires that are routed to your accessories. The inputs are utilized for event monitoring, such as that of a trans-brake event, or external manual switch connections. Now, the difference between the actual switch connection here and the switch connector that we pointed out earlier is that this one is utilized for using the Racepak switching modules, whereas these are used for your own external switches. Overall output capacity is 125 amps, while the current consumption is 180 milliamps in a typical wired operation. Now, 8 of the 30 outputs are 20 amp, while 22 of them are 10 amp. You can parallel wire like outputs to gain wire amperage to a device. For example, if you have 2 20 amp outputs and you need a 40 amp circuit, you can go ahead and wire those two in parallel. But be careful, you should not wire a 10 amp and a 20 amp, for example, in the same output. Finally, there are 3 ground pins and 1 shutdown pin located within the 2 23-pin connectors. That pretty much covers the technical specs of the SmartWire. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, remember to take a look at the SmartWire videos online at racepaksmartwire.com.